Nestled within the guard-gated sanctuary of North Ranch Country Club Estates, this reimagined contemporary English manor is a masterclass in balancing regal scale with tactile comfort. It is where Tudor-inspired Gravitas meets the airy sophistication of modern California living, all set against a backdrop of panoramic fairway views. Upon entry, you are greeted by dramatic dual sweeping staircases that practically demand a cinematic entrance. The main living room features a walk-in fireplace, vast enough to host its own small climate system, paired with a sleek built-in bar, ensuring guests are both warm and well-hydrated. For the Epicurean, the chef's kitchen is a sun-drenched hub of high-end hardware, while the state-of-the-art cinema and walk-in wine cellar provide ample distraction for the weekend recluse. Relaxation, however, is centered in the primary suite, where a sculptural soaking tub serves as a functional piece of modern art. Beyond the glass, the grounds offer a masterstroke of landscape architecture. Towering trees filter a perpetual golden hour over the pool, spa, and a full-scale pool house. With a detached office and guest house tucked above a 6-car garage, the property functions less like a standard residence and more like a private village. This isn't just a home, it's an impeccably crafted retreat for those who take their privacy seriously, but their leisure time even more so.